Oh, I see you spotted the name on the plane. Bob Hoover. He used to be a test pilot, one of the best. Well, here he comes now. You know, he flies this plane in a business suit and without a parachute. Hi, Bob. We've just been admiring this beauty of yours.
Beauty she is, and she flies like a dream. Tell you what, folks, climb in with me now, and let's see what we can do.
You know, I never tried to be better than anybody else. I tried to be better than one person, and that was myself. I was motivated to do what I wanted to do.
Bob Hoover, fighter pilot, experimental test pilot, executive, airshow pilot. His name is intertwined with all of the milestones of 20th century aviation.
I was airsick, and all of my dreams were shattered, and I was 15 or 16 years of age. And I thought, oh golly, I'd built model airplanes, I'd dreamed of flying, I'd watched birds fly, and so I thought, I really want to do that. And I had to sit back and say, the dream is gone. And at a young age, I just thought, you've got to overcome it. You've got to do it. Well, when I had first soloed and the instructor turned me loose, I said, I've been sick every flight. I wasn't paying that much attention to you. Showed me how to, I can't fly this thing by myself. He said, the hell you can. I've just had you make 4 landings and you did them all right. Get out, go. And off I went. And of course, like all of you who made that first flight, it was the beginning of a great career.
In this very special Warbirds in Review, R.A. Bob Hoover, one of the true heroes of American aviation, is reunited with one of his oldest and best friends, Ole Yeller, the P-51 Mustang that he flew for hundreds of demonstrations, airshow performances, and starts of the Reno National Air Races while serving as one of North American aviation's top executives. Through the courtesy of current owner John Bagley, Ole Yeller returns to Oshkosh. It is truly history in the making.